How to turn on or turn off ambient mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off ambient mode on YouTube. So before you turn that on or off, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for YouTube. Now check whether your app is up to date or not. So if your app is up to date, it will simply show an open option, but if your app is not up to date, simply update it by tapping the update option. Since my app is already up to date, we'll simply open the app and then choose a random video. Now in order to turn on or turn off ambient mode, what you have to do is tap on the settings on the top right corner of the screen, and then it will provide you a list of various options. You'll have to tap the option which says ambient mode. Currently it is turned on, so if I want to turn it off, simply tap on it and then ambient mode will be turned off. And if I want to turn it on, simply go to the settings icon again and then tap on ambient mode. That way you can turn on or turn off ambient mode on your YouTube. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.